Today we'll show you 25 amazing ways to use a regular paperclip. These simple yet ingenious life hacks will help you in everyday life, save time, and solve unexpected problems. From temporarily fixing glasses to creating a phone stand, you'll be surprised at how versatile a common paperclip can be. Let's get started. Take a regular paperclip and gently straighten it, turning it into a straight wire. Then wrap the resulting wire around something cylindrical to form a ring. Now this ring can be used as a temporary keychain. If your glasses arm is broken, you can quickly fix it with a paperclip. Take a paperclip, snip off a small piece of wire, and insert it into the joint. The paperclip will act as a temporary hinge, restoring the glasses' functionality. If you can't find the start of the tape, here's a simple solution. Place a paperclip under the tape's edge, and next time it will help you find the spot quickly. You can use a paperclip to easily close food packages. Just twist the top of the bag and secure it with a paperclip to keep the food fresh. You can use a paperclip as a cover for your laptop camera to protect your privacy. Apply hot glue to one side of the paperclip and carefully attach it to the laptop lid, covering the camera. If it's hard to fasten a bracelet with one hand, a paperclip can help. Hook the paperclip onto one side of the bracelet. Hold it with your fingers. Use your other hand to bring the other part of the bracelet and fasten it easily. Take a paperclip, pull one end slightly, and flatten it with a hammer. Now you have a tiny screwdriver, perfect for working with small screws. Remove the insulation from one end of the paperclip to get a thin wire. Now you can use it to remove the SIM tray from your phone. Stretch the paperclip into a long wire, then carefully bend it to form a pin. Now you have a simple and convenient pin for a brooch. Bend the paperclip into the shape of a heart. Such paperclips can be used as unique bookmarks by attaching them to the book cover. By threading a rubber band through the paperclip, you can create a handy clasp. This way, the paperclip will act as a button, securing things like cables. Bend the paperclip in such a way that it forms a small phone stand. Place your phone horizontally, and you'll have a convenient stand for watching videos. If you don't have clothespins, you can use paper clips to hang small clothes to dry. As you can see, they securely hold socks. A paperclip is perfect for opening the remote control and easily removing the batteries. You can easily close open liquid product bags with paperclips. Roll up the open edge of the bag and secure it with paperclips to prevent spills and keep the contents fresh. To easily draw a circle, you can use 2 pens and a paperclip. Wrap a bit of cotton on the end of the paperclip and gently clean your phone's ports, removing dust and dirt. To prevent your bag from opening on its own, secure the zipper with a paperclip. Simply attach the clip to the zipper and tie it to the strap loop of the bag. Roll up the end of the toothpaste tube and secure it with paperclips. This will allow you to easily squeeze out the last portions of the paste and use the tube to the end. To remove a tight ring from your finger, you can use a string and a paperclip. Thread the string under the ring with the help of a paperclip. Then gently unwind the string, pulling the ring upward. This method will help remove the ring effortlessly. To keep an open bag of chips fresh, roll up the top and secure it with paperclips. If you don't have a binder, you can fasten papers with a rubber band and a paperclip. Thread the band through the holes in the paper and secure the ends with a paperclip. You can use a paperclip as a handy bookmark. Attach it to the needed page to easily return to it during your next reading. To secure rolled up sheets, you can use paperclips. Just fasten the edges of the roll with a few paperclips to prevent it from unrolling. Cut long strips from a bottle. Secure them with rubber bands and use a paperclip to fix the structure. This homemade controller will allow you to conveniently control a game on your phone. Now we'll show you how to make a simple automatic candle snuffer using a paperclip. And the last idea for today is how to make a miniature flashlight using a paperclip, an LED, and a battery. Thank you for watching. We hope these ideas were helpful. See you next time.